Now we will try Setubandhasana or the bridge pose. Simply bend your knees. Yeah, and use your hands to pull your feet closer to your buttocks. So as close to the buttocks as it is possible for you. Now inhale and lift your pelvis up as high as you can. So you will try to slide your shoulders under the body. Try to take them closer and closer. Yeah. Once you have done that, you will support your back with your arms. So it is possible you can support it in this manner, or you can turn the hand the other way where the four fingers are inside, thumb is outside. So this is the bridge posture. Yeah. So whatever is more comfortable for you, you will try. So placing the hands on your back the way it is comfortable, you will now try to walk your feet little by little out in the front. So take your time and slowly, slowly take your feet out till you can. If it is possible, you will try to straighten the legs completely, push with your feet on the ground, push backwards with the feet and create a nice arch like a bridge. Hold it for a few seconds and then try to come back. You can come back. Come back, come back. Slowly, slowly, very slowly taking the feet back, taking your arms on the ground, relaxing yourself, releasing the shoulders. Again, back to Shavasana.